Every single one of us has gone through pain. Maybe it was heartbreak, maybe it was failure, maybe it was being told you're not good enough. Pain is universal. But here's the truth. What separates those who stay stuck from those who rise is how they use that pain. You can let it break you, or you can turn it into power. Think about some of the greatest success stories in history. Oprah Winfrey was born into poverty and endured years of hardship. Yet she transformed that pain into a fire that made her one of the most influential women on earth. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Did he quit? No. He took that pain and turned it into fuel, practicing harder than anyone else until he became a legend. Pain is not your enemy, it's your teacher. When life hurts you, it's giving you two options: either stay on the ground or rise stronger. And here's the secret. Pain carries energy. If you focus on the pain itself, you suffer. But if you redirect that energy into growth, training, discipline, and resilience, that same pain becomes your superpower. So how do you do it? First, stop asking, "Why me?" Start asking, "What is this teaching me?" Every setback has a lesson. Failure teaches humility. Heartbreak teaches self-respect. Loss teaches gratitude for the present moment. When you reframe pain, it stops being the end of your story and becomes the beginning of your transformation. Second, use pain as fuel. Channel it into your work, your art, your passion, your grind. Some of the best music, books, and inventions came from people who were hurting. Pain sharpens focus. It gives you a reason to keep moving when motivation fades. And third, remember this: pain makes you relatable. When you overcome struggles, you inspire others. People don't connect with perfection, they connect with scars. Your pain can become the light for someone else walking through the darkness. So, the next time life hurts you, don't let it stop you. Don't numb it, don't hide it. Feel it, learn from it, and transform it. Because your pain is not the end, it's the raw material for your strength. Turn your pain into power, and your struggles into your story of victory.